Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your trusted place to find out whether trending products and websites are genuine or just scams. Today, we're looking into a gadget that's been popping up everywhere, the Trackgo Pro. Is it really worth your money or just another hyped-up device? Let's find out. The Trackgo Pro is advertised as a smart tracking device that can be attached to your keys, bags, wallets, or even pets. The company claims it offers real-time location tracking through Bluetooth and an app, helping you never lose your belongings again. On the surface, it sounds like a great solution for forgetful people. But does it actually live up to the promise? Let's first talk about the good. The device is small, lightweight, and easy to carry. Pairing it with the app is simple, and the alert sound feature can help you locate lost items within Bluetooth range. Some users also say it works fine for basic tracking needs. But here's where things get questionable. Many reviews online suggest that the range is far more limited than advertised. Instead of working across long distances, it only functions within a short Bluetooth connection, which means if your item is truly lost far away, the tracker won't help. On top of that, the app seems glitchy for many users, with frequent disconnections and slow updates. Another red flag is the aggressive marketing and so-called limited-time discounts that push buyers into quick purchases. This is a common tactic used by low-quality gadget sellers. Now, the price may look attractive with huge discounts, but when compared to more reliable brands like Apple AirTag or Tile, Trackgo Pro simply doesn't offer the same performance, durability, or trusted customer support. In fact, a lot of people feel it's just an overpriced copy of better-known trackers. So, is Trackgo Pro worth it or not? If you just want a cheap temporary gadget and don't mind limited performance, it might work for you. But if you're looking for a reliable tracker to protect valuables or pets, this may not be the best investment. Always compare with trusted alternatives before buying. That's it for today's review. Have you tried Trackgo Pro or a similar tracking device? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the truth about the latest products and websites. See you in the next video! Thank you!